While Google and Samsung may price their flagship smartphones similarly, the differences between them extend far beyond just the cost. Here's a brief comparison between the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Pixel 9 Pro XL. The Pixel 9 Pro offers flexibility with two display sizes, a 6.3-inch option or a larger 6.8-inch XL model, both with almost identical specifications. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is only available in a 6.8-inch size. One standout feature of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is its built-in S Pen housed within the phone itself. On the other hand, the Pixel 9 Pro XL doesn't officially support stylus input. When it comes to screen brightness, the Pixel 9 Pro slightly outshines the Galaxy S24 Ultra, reaching up to 3,000 nits compared to the S24 Ultra's 2,600 nits. The Pixel 9 series is powered by Google's own Tensor G4, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra relies on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. Google equips the Pixel 9 Pro with 16 gigs of RAM, whereas the Galaxy S24 Ultra sticks to 12 gigs, consistent with its predecessors. Samsung takes a hardware-heavy approach with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, featuring a 200-megapixel main sensor and an additional 3x telephoto lens. In contrast, the Pixel 9 Pro XL has a 50-megapixel sensor, which may offer less resolution but benefits from Google's superior image processing software. The Galaxy S24 Ultra features Gorilla Glass armor, which offers better scratch resistance and significantly lower light reflectance compared to the Pixel 9 Pro's Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The Pixel 9 Pro starts at $999, with the XL variant priced at $1,099. The Galaxy S24 Ultra starts at a higher $1,299, but the base model includes double the storage capacity. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.